Hi, I'm Dan and I'm here to show you my electronic hot potato game using Adafruit's digital playground device. This is the device here, and I have rubber bands wrapped around it because that is holding a battery in the back. Since this is a tossing game, I wanted to kind of keep it all together. But I guess you can get more fancy. You can find a case or build an enclosure around it, but this is what I'm using for demonstration purposes. Now this is just like original hot potato game where you toss it from one to the other until a person's out. So it can be from two to more people. So to start the game, you push either the left or the right button, and we have a countdown that starts. Okay, now the game's starting, and then you toss it from one person to the other. And as you're tossing, we have like a counter here, LED, that increments every time it gets tossed. And eventually, the buzzer will sound, which means that person is out. Okay, then that means that would be out. And then you start the game over again with the rest of the people until the last person standing is the winner. And it's using the accelerometer, the neopixels, and the buttons from the Adafruit Circuit Playground. Now if you want to get a little bit more challenging, we have the slider switch here. We slide that to the right. That adds a countdown timer while you're holding it. So if you hold the device longer than 2 seconds while you're throwing, then you're out. So you have to immediately throw it to the next person. If you drop it, you're pretty much out because that you won't have enough time to pick it up. But so we'll try it with that game. So okay, we're starting the game. The game has started. Now if I hold it too long, then I'm out. So yeah, if you drop it, then you're pretty much out. So this game's a little bit more challenging because it's got that countdown timer. So in a nutshell, that's the electronic hot potato game. Can be played with 2 more people. I guess the more people, the better. But I thought it'd be kind of nice having a little game with this device. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.